In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up and run a complete site audit to analyze your website's technical health and performance. First, we'll navigate to Site Audit from the main dashboard at the top of the screen. Let me show you where to create a new project to get started with your audit. If you have Google Search Console connected, importing that data will give you more comprehensive crawl results right from the start. Don't have Search Console access? No problem. You can set everything up manually instead. Here's where you'll enter your website URL and give your project a name that makes sense to you. Then we'll move forward. Since we didn't use Search Console integration, we can safely skip the ownership verification step and continue. Now you can set how often you want automatic crawls to run in the future, daily, weekly, or whatever works for your monitoring needs. Before moving on, double-check that the option to run your first crawl immediately is enabled, so we can kick things off right away. Your site crawl is now underway. Just a heads up, depending on your site size, this can take anywhere from several minutes to over an hour to finish. That's it! Once the crawl completes, you'll be able to open your project and dive into all the insights about your website's technical SEO.